Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off camera feedback vibration on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the accessibility tile. And then under screen reader, select talkback. And then underneath options, select the settings button. And then underneath audio, select sound and vibration. There should be a vibration feedback entry in here. If you want to enable it, click inside the oval one time to toggle it to the right. Otherwise, you can click inside of here to turn it off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.